In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Notion. If you're anything like me, you might have stumbled upon the need to align your text to the center of a page, especially when working on a project or a presentation. Notion, being a versatile note-taking and collaboration application, offers many great features, but things like text alignment aren't always as straightforward as we might wish. Fear not, though. We can accomplish this with a few simple tricks. Let's dive right in. To get started with this process, you'll want to open Notion and navigate to the page where your text is located. Make sure you're logged in and are at the right spot. Once you're there, you're going to select the exact area where the text you wish to center is found, and then, select the text itself. Now, here's the twist. Notion doesn't support native text aligning commands like your typical word processor, but we can achieve this by using a workaround. Let's create a new block by clicking on the familiar button that you'll find either at the bottom of your page or at the side. This option lets us choose what type of block or content we want to work with. From the drop-down list, select the quote block. Click on it, and a new quote block will appear. The next move is to place your text into this newly created quote block. Simply cut and paste it into this space. If you want to tidy things up a bit, remove any extra spaces you might have inadvertently carried over. Here's a little insight into why we're using quotes. The quote block is automatically indented, which closely resembles the centered text we want to achieve. Notion doesn't allow explicit justification changes, but this trick can mimic the effect sufficiently for presentation purposes. If you're keen on setting a specific width for your text, you can further explore styling by enclosing your quote block within a table or using columns to control your paragraph's width. This way, the text appears to sit even more comfortably within your page. For those of you who love a touch of personalization, Notion also offers customization options with the appearance of your quote block. You can choose different background colors or toggle the H1, H2, or H3 options for varying sizes and highlights. It's truly that simple, folks. With these steps, you've effectively centered your text in Notion, giving your content a neat and professional look. As you continue to work on different projects, remember this nifty trick whenever the need for centering arises. Keep exploring the versatile features of Notion. It's a powerful tool that can be tailored to suit your creative needs. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and that you feel more confident in navigating the nuances of this application. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides.